Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can enable and show alternate calendars on Google Calendar in 2026, like the Hindu or Chinese calendar, for example. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm on my account here on Google Calendar and I'm using the default calendar, starting with Sunday, and then we got the dates, the week, even up to Saturday. So you may enable these alternate calendars, guys, by simply navigating to your account settings here at the top. Select settings, and here to the left what you want to do is expand this tab, general, and after that keep scrolling down till you get to the start a week on feature. And below you will see that small drop-down menu, alternate calendars, which is selected or set to none on default, but you may go with a Chinese traditional or a Hebrew, Hijri, Saudi Arabian, Indian, Hindu, Korean, Persian, and so on and so forth. So let me go with traditional Chinese one, and after that Google Calendar will ask you to reload. So now let us take a look, and there you go. That's how it looks like now with the alternate calendar. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.